Now let's talk about the table. If you see one table here, this table contains the rows and column. So this horizontal line is row and this vertical line is the column. And we can create this table using the HTML, and we need to understand some tags to create the table. So here is one is the table tag, another one is the TR tag. TR represents the table row, and another one is the table heading tag, and another one is the table data tag. Now I'm in Visual Studio Code and we have discussed the HTML element in previous videos. Let's create another file and name as HTML table.htm or .html. And after giving the name, just use the boilerplates by pressing the Shift and 1 and press the enter. Then it will gives us this default HTML code. And to create the table, first of all, let's make one comment by pressing the Control keys and C. And inside here, we need to understand the table tag and then the TR tag and then the TS tag and then the TD tag. TD means the table data. So let's create the table tag at first. And after creating the table tag, just give inside here the TR tag. TR tag means we are creating one row. Okay. If I press the go live option here, then it will start the live server and it doesn't show anything onto the screen. If I go to again here the Visual Studio Code, and if I type something inside the table row, so just I'm going to type here the another tag that is the TS tag, and TS tag means the table heading. And if I type here the name, and if I again go into the browser, then you can see name is my table heading. And if I need another table heading, then I can just copy this TS tag and then I paste here, and also again I paste it here, and I can give here the address address, and another one is the contact. I'm making here the three table heading. Okay. And if I go into the browser, then you can see now name, address, and the contact. And we need the name value and the address value and then the contact value. So to provide this three value, again create the TR tag here. So TR, okay. Just type the TR tag. You can format your document by right click here and just click on the format document to decorate your code. Okay. And after typing the again TR tag, just give here the don't use now TS tag. TS tag is used only in the table heading. So now use the TD tag. TD tag means table data. And inside the name, I can give name as Vikas. And if I again go into the browser, now you can see this is Vikas. And again, give another value of the address. And address I can give here the KTS and the Kathmandu. Okay. And if I see here, now address is being Kathmandu. And if I want to give the contact, then I can again use the TD tag and I can give the contact number like this. And you can see this is contact. And if I want to add more data to this table heading, then I can simply copy this code from here up to TR tag. Okay. I have to make the another row. Okay. I'll just type, make again another row and just give the value as TD, and then the gives the name as whatever you want, Biplov or whatever. And I can give here the Biplov, and address is being I can give address as Pokhara, and then the contact is I can give contact as whatever. And now you can see this is the output of the table data. So this first row is the table heading, and the second row is the table data, and the third row is the table data. And I can add the more and more table rows inside the table heading. But if I try to add the more data than the table heading, then what will happen? If I add one another TD here, then it shows that the another table data, but it doesn't have table headings. So in this way, we can create the HTML table. And we are not using here any CSS here. So it look like not too much good. And I can remove this part of this here. And I will discuss the CSS part in CSS tutorial. But if you see one CSS property border here, and if I give here 1 pixel solid, and if I go to here, now you can see this table is decorated format in a systematic format. So it looks good. So CSS always makes the beautifications, or you can say more improvement and the colorization in so many things into the HTML document. So simply the HTML is used to only design the web page, or you can say the structure of it makes the structure of the web page. So I can just remove this code from here. I will discuss CSS, all the CSS properties and important topics in CSS tutorial. So I don't like to make you more complicated up to this time. So how we can create the table? It means we need a table tag and then the TR tag. TR tag means the table row. And inside the table tag, at first line, we just need to write the table heading. This is our table heading. Okay, this is name, address, and contact is table heading. And then inside the table heading, now we can again make another row, and inside the another row we can give the value of TD, that is the table data, and again we can use the TR tag to make the another row. And if you want to make so many, the table value, then I can provide this table heading value. If I copy this and copy paste and value, then you can see you can add more and more value. Okay, so in this way we can use the table in HTML. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video.